news. Hang on, let me go back to the beginning. I learned how to lip sync.
It's raining tacos right out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why.
Okay, I'm a horrible lip singer. And close your eyes.
It's raining tacos.
Okay. And tacos onto the sky. Tacos, all you can eat. Medicine shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos, and yum, 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 yum. It's like dry the dream. Yum, 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 yum. So extreme, extreme. Mash. Don't ask me to do it to this box. Meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, it's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Oh! It's raining tacos, raining tacos. Time to record the screen. I'm extremely serious. Yes, I'm extremely serious. Fine, you know what? I'm not recording this song. I'll record this song. Do a better song.
It's your birthday today.
Hopefully it's working.
There's a cat licking your birthday cake. It's your birthday today.
Don't ask what this song is. I just clicked a random song. My God, this should be like the new Raining Tacos. No, not for him. Be his birthday cake. Alright, slim la la la. Birthday today. His birthday today. Right? Licking your birthday cake is birthday today. It should be like the new Raining Tacos. It's 10 times as good, but 10 times smaller. Taco Cat, second best song in the world, even though it's the same thing over and over again. Taco Cat, T-A-C-O, T-O-T-O, Taco Cat, T-A-C-O. Oh. T-A-C-O-C-A-T-O, Taco Cat, T-A-C-O-C-A-T-O, Taco Cat, Taco Cat. Those dance moves. Taco Cat, T. That was it. I hope you enjoyed this video of random songs, which is random. Okay, pause it. No! Is this? Some people say good steak doesn't need sauce. So whoops, Arby's just put good steak and sauce. John Cena! Ow! Anyway, I hope we all learned a valuable lesson. Always look at popular songs on YouTube, and who knows, you might find some random ones like Cat singing your birthday cake. It's birthday today! Hooray! Birthday today! Hooray! Yay! Cat licking your birthday cake. It's birthday today. He does not know it's not for him. It might be his birthday too, but chances of that are slim. It's birthday today. Hooray! Your birthday today. Yay! There's Cat licking your birthday cake. It's birthday today. Yeah! Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. Best outro ever. Yes! I'm gonna do it for my outro now. Just say best outro ever, then clap and do the fist.